in La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Chickasaw County in northeastern Iowa until midnight at 7:03 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen, highest in the Nashua area, and another 1 to locally 4 inches is possible by midnight. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include New Hampton, Nashua, Almea, Chickasaw, Bassett, Williamstown, Bradford, Republic, Twin Ponds Park, and Boyd. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. 2 weeks ago, runoff from heavy rainfall will cause small creeks and streams.